Hi, my name is Julie. We were looking for a different house that had a split level home, and when we were looking around, one of the requests was a swimming pool. That was my wish list. I went outside in the backyard and I saw this waterfall, beautiful, and I fell in love with it, and that was the home. I said, I don't care what it looks like inside. I was working out and I was looking at my photographs and my videos, and I looked and thought, wow, this isn't really what I expected. I'm not an expert in tiles, so I really didn't know where to begin, but I knew it just had that dull look. It looked moldy looking. It looked unsightly in my personal opinion, and it just wasn't that wow look. I want someone to clean it, not someone to change the tiles. I even had a landscaper who volunteered to change the tiles, and I thought, you know what, he's in landscaping. I'd rather he stay in the landscaping area, even though he may be good at putting tiles down. I was gonna find someone who had a business that was an expert in pavers. Suddenly one day, I saw something populate in my social media feed. I saw a paver company and I just happened to look at it, and they did an interview with a homeowner. She was just talking like a regular conversation, sharing her story about how she got to transform her pavers from what it was to what it is. And she was literally sitting in the area where she transformed, and I thought, I want my pavers to look just like hers, and I want to get this company. They came professionally dressed, they came professionally ready to give you an estimate, they gave you a quote, and it continued from there. It flowed nicely. We scheduled an appointment. It was done. I was ready. And when they showed up timely, they did the work, they planned, everything happened. It just flowed nicely. But the before and after, I couldn't begin to tell you. It's like a transformation. It's like shedding 15 pounds of weight off your backyard of pavers that were just so magnificently beautiful. The before, it was, oh, the pavers. One day they'll get clean. One day they'll look good. And then the after, it's like, oh, I can't wait to go outside and be there and even do my workout and get those videos and get those photographs. It's like the wow that you go in, you open up the double doors, and it's like, wow, this is it. You checked all the boxes, and the job was successful, and I loved it. And it was exactly what I was looking for and more. If you're looking for a really good paving company, I will recommend Perfect Pavers beyond a measure of doubt.